Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Mukbang and Things with your girl D, and today we're doing something a little different. It's not a mukbang or cooking tutorial, but it's how to do your own green screen and background from your cell phone. A lot of people asked how I did it. I told them I would do a video, so if you want to see just how I did it, keep on watching. So the first thing you want to do is start off with these tablecloths. I got them in green and blue. They are cheap. They come from the dollar store, y'all. Buy a bunch of them, double them up. That's what I did. I got tablecloths from the dollar store for my green screen. Okay? So I took that green screen and I taped it to the wall. I just have my background of the plane that I'm going to insert myself into right here. Okay? I'm inside the plane. I'm having a party in the plane, y'all. Y'all normally dance on the plane. Anyway, the plane that took me to a nice beach. I'm enjoying it. Sunny skies. It's beautiful. After the beach, I think I might just go shake a tail feather on a dance floor. Come on, dance with me, y'all. After that, I think I might just go catch a concert. You see the concert in the background? And then at the end, I'm going to spend it with my man, Idris Elba. You feel me? Now I'm just going to show you how to search an image on Google, whatever you want for your background to be. For the sake of today's video, I'm just using ice cream background. So I put that in Google. It gives us a vast array of ice cream cones, and you just pick whatever image or background that you want. This is just how I do it and what works for me. I feel that it's very, very easy and simple to just snapshot a picture of what you want your background to be. And yeah, that's what I'm showing you here. So once you find the image that you like, you just crop that. I'm showing you different images. You want to try to get an image that will fill your whole background. So that's why I'm selecting a different ice cream image. So you see this one fills the page a little more. There are other choices down below. You can pick whatever one you want. But I screenshotted the image that I want and I cropped it. And that's what I'm doing here. And you can do the same thing. It's really, really easy, guys. So this is the image that we're going to use for today's video, that we're going to use on the background that I'm going to show you. Okay? So now that we have our saved, cropped image for our background, we can move on to the next step. I'm going to show you the best way that I can. I'm not a tutorial girl, guys, but this is just the best way that I know how to show you what works for me. Okay? It's very important that you lay your background image first. You have to lay it first in order for it to work. I'm just showing you the length of the image. What I did was I just duplicated it over and over again. You want to give it enough length. If you have a 2, 5, or 10-minute video, make sure that your image fills that whole length of the video. So that's just what I'm showing you here. Okay? I'm just showing you the best way that I can and what works for me. So I know it's a little janky, but work with me. Hold on. You're going to hit this plus sign, and it's going to take you to your videos. And you see these 3 dots right here? You want to hit those 3 dots, and it's going to give you this drop down. Cutaway, picture in picture, split screen, green, blue screen, audio only. You're going to hit green, blue screen, and look, it's magic. it lays the image on top of your saved green screen video. And that's how I did my green screen. I don't know what anybody else does. This is what I did. This is what worked for me. And I hope it can work for you. I hope whatever system you work in or use, that you can transfer some of these same techniques to that. But I just wanted to show you guys what I do and hope that it can maybe help you. Okay? Just wanted to remind you that this tutorial is for doing it with a cell phone. I'm using my iPhone, not a computer. And that's it, guys. We have the saved image of the ice cream cones overlaid with our saved video. I just put the video clip in here of Jordy to show you guys. I hope you enjoyed this very short and simple tutorial. I hope it was easy for you to understand. If you didn't get it, you have any more questions, let me know down in the comments section. Hit me up in the DM. Slide in the DM on Instagram if you got some more questions for me. I'm here to help you the best way that I can. Okay? Until next time, peace and love from your girl D.